When I saw this program, I wasn't really skeptical because when I saw the Facebook ad, I went through the comments. And so a lot of times when you see an ad and you go through comments, people will say, this is a scam, don't do this and that, but I didn't see any negative comments on the ad that I saw. And I saw that whoever was running the ads was actually responding to each comment in a positive way. So to me, that solidified it for me. From what I've seen so far, I think my aha moment is realizing how important these masterminds are. For me, I kind of just started with the business and interacting with people in the Facebook group. I interact a lot, but coming to the actual mastermind and meeting with the people that you see on Facebook every day, it's a whole different, it's a different environment, it's a different energy, and that was kind of my aha moment. And I know that I definitely want to be a part of masterminds in the future, and it feels like a family. Like, it really, really does. I'm usually pretty shy, a very shy person, but I've been talking to everybody. Everybody's super amazing, super nice. So I learned so much, and it's just been such an amazing experience. I got phone numbers, exchanged emails, exchanged phone numbers. So looking forward to doing some things in the future with some people that I met here. I've been to other, different business events and hotels. I mean, you get the information, but the energy here is so much different. When you go to a hotel, like, the vibe it's not this vibe. This environment just wants you to network with people, wants you to talk with people. Everybody's laughing, everybody's joking, everybody's enjoying themselves in this house, having fun. There's people bowling, there's some people in the pool. It's just, you can't ask for a better venue for a mastermind like this. My goals definitely have gotten bigger from this mastermind. I realized just how much potential I can see myself having and what I can see myself doing. I never really thought too much about getting into real estate, but after Omar Periu's presentation, I definitely want to get into real estate. I'm already a part of the mortgage program and the business loan program, so I definitely want to get into real estate. And just seeing what other people are doing, knowing that someone who started just like me, who didn't really know too much, but because everybody starts somewhere, everybody starts not knowing, and to hear everyone's story of where they started, where they came from, their humble beginnings, Phil's story, it's just very inspiring, and it makes me realize where I can see myself going in the future. Phil I love his humility. He's a very humble person, very caring. You can tell that he cares about everyone in his program. You can tell he cares about wanting to see people succeed. And to me, that is one of the biggest things about him, is his humility and his caring spirit for people. And that's why he's as successful as he is, because of the type of person that he is and how he cares for people. He's present with everybody. Sometimes you go to different programs and you don't even see ever the person who's, the CEO or the owner of the program. And Phil is there hands-on with you, talking to you. He walks around, he starts conversations with you. Phil is great. He's great. Being here it's like it sparks a fire underneath you. Being able to hear people's stories and talking to people one-on-one and just hearing little things that they do that can help you implement things into your business. You can't compare it to just, trying to do this on your own. You have to attend these masterminds. They just give you that motivation that you need to go back home and continue to push and push. Sometimes when you're home and you're not a part of these programs, sometimes you get a little complacent, you may get a little frustrated, but it's like it re-energizes you to continue to work on your business even more. So I highly suggest these events. I'm definitely coming to the next mastermind and continue to come to these masterminds because it's what I need to continue pushing forward to reach my goals.